Assalamu alaikum. Now, exercise 12.4 according to textbook question number 13. So, read the question. Difference of the digit of a number consisting of two digits is 4. But if the number interchange and the sum of the original number and the new number will be 110. So, there are two conditions. Difference is 4 and if the number interchange, then the sum of the two number will be 110. We have to find out the number. We don't know the number. So at first we assume the 10 place and unit place. So imagine the 10 place of the number, let 10 place be x and 1 place or unit place be y. So the number is 10x plus y. If it is interchange, then 10y plus x. Clear? But the first condition, the difference of that number, that means x minus y equal to plus minus 4. Y plus minus 4, maybe it is positive or negative. This is equation 1. And second condition, sum of these two numbers, that means 10x plus y plus 10y plus x equal to 110, or 11x plus 11y equal to 110, or x plus y is equal to 110, or x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 2. Clear? Now adding 1 and 2, what I get? So add the equation 1 and equation number 2, then we get the result 3. So equation 1, x minus y equal to plus minus 4 and x plus y equal to 10. So the result is, look at here, 2x equal to 14 or x equal to 7. Again, if this is minus, then 2x equal to 6, so x equal to 3. So value of x is 2, either 7 or 3. Now apply the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2. Look at here, 7 plus y equal to 10 or y equal to 3, or 3 plus y equal to 10 or y equal to 7. So we get the two value, x equal to either 7 or 3, or y equal to 3 or 7. When x 7, then y 3. When x 3, the number is 7. So the number is, before we make the number, so the number is either 27, look at here. So the required number 10x plus y, that's mean, or 10 into 7 plus 3 equal to 73, or 10 into 3 plus 7 equal to 37. So the number is either 73 or 37. So now we solve the math. Now question number 14. Now question number 14. So present age of mother is 4 times of the sum of the age of her two daughters, and after 5 years mother's age will be twice the sum of the ages of her two daughters. So there are two conditions. So we don't know the age of mother or age of two daughters. So imagine here, suppose the present age of mother be x. Let present age of mother be x and present age of two daughters be y. Clear? So after 5 years, mother's age equal to x plus 5, and after 5 years two daughter. Observe here, there are two daughters. That means each of them age will be 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equal to y plus 10. So after 5 years we get the result. But first condition, they told that mother's age is 4 times of daughter age. And second condition, they told me that their mother's age will be twice of daughter age. That means x plus 5 equal to 2 times of y plus 10. Clear? You can easily putting the value of x is here. Look at here. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So what I do? Putting the value of x from equation 1 in equation number 2. So x equal to 4 minus y. So 4y plus 5 is equal to 2y plus 10, or 4y minus 2y equal to 10 minus 5, or 2y 10 to the, here 10 to the 20. So 20 minus 5 equal to 15. Here 20 minus 5 equal to 15. So 4y minus 2y equal to 20 minus 5. Therefore 2y equal to 15. Or y equal to 15 by 2. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1. So if I putting the value of 1 in equation number 2, what I get? Look at here. Here is x equal to 4y. So x equal to 4y. Y value of y is 15 by 2 equal to 30. So the value of x is 30. So I will get the answer. The mother's age is 30. So answer is 30. So we will solve now question number 15. Okay. Now question number 15. It is a rectangular related math. They told me that if we know that a rectangle basically what? Length and breadth. So the first condition, if the length of the rectangle is decreased by 5 meter and breadth is increased by 3 meter, then the area will be less by 9 square meter. But again, if we increase the length 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter, then the area will be increased 67 meter. So we have to find out the length and breadth. So we don't know the length and breadth. Suppose imagine that the length of the breadth of the rectangle be x and breadth be y. So let length be x and breadth be y. So first condition, if we decrease 5 meter from length, that means x minus 5, and if we increase breadth by 3 meter, y plus 3, then their area will be less by 9 meter. Or look at here, xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. So here xy both are omitted. So what I get? 3x minus 5y minus 15 is here equal to 6. So equation number 1. Clear? Now we'll solve according to the second condition. Second condition is if length is increased by 3 meter and breadth also increased by 2 meter. That means length is increased by 3 meter and breadth is increased by 2 meter, then the area will be increased by 67 meter. Here this is second condition. So apply here, multiply xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to xy plus 67. So here xy omitted. So what I get? 2x plus 3y. If I subtracted 6 from 67, the result will be 61. So this is equation number 2. Now we get equation 1 and 2. So you can solve this equation by elimination method, substitution method, or cross multiplication method. Look at here. Here coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of x is 2. So if I multiply this one by 2 and multiply this one by 3, then x will be equal. So you have to write here, multiply equation 1 and 2 by 2 and 3. Okay. So right here, multiply equation 1 and 2 by 2 and 3. So if we multiply this, 3 to the 6x minus 10y equal to 12. Now this is the equation 3. And if I multiply equation 2 by 3, look at here, 3 to the 6x plus 3 3 the 9y, 361 the 183. Now this is equation, new equation 4. So what I do, I just subtract from 3 to 4. Okay. So subtract. If I subtract, the result will be minus 10 minus 9 equal to minus 19 and minus 171. So y equal to minus 171 by minus 19 equal to 9. So the value of y is 9. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1. So equation number 1, before to solve the math, we get the equation number 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. So 3x minus 5y equal to 6, or 3x minus 5 9s are 45 is equal to 6, or 3x equal to 6 plus 45, or 3x equal to 51, or x equal to 51 by 3, or x equal to 17. So we get the length of the rectangle is 17 meter and breadth is 9 meter. So answer is 17 meter and 9 meter. So we solve the math number 15. So we have rest of the math 1, 16 and 17. So inshallah next class we will solve this math.